Today we would like to continue our project by installing Windows 7 Professional as a virtual machine. This will be task number 5. We already have the Oracle VirtualBox Manager open, so let's go ahead and start creating the new machine now. We'll go ahead and we'll just name it what it is. Windows 7 Professional. Okay. Type, it is Windows 64-bit. Go ahead, create. Okay, the minimum for Windows 7, I saw anywhere between 2 and 1 and 2 gigs, so we're going to play it safe and go with 2 gigabytes. Then we won't have to worry about memory errors. We'll go to the next one. Create a virtual hard disk now. It's going to be of the VDI type, and it's going to be dynamically allocated. And we're going to leave it named at Windows 7 Professional. And I read a recommendation on 2 forums for 100 gigabytes of hard disk drive space, so that's what we're going to give it. Oops. Okay, 100 gigabytes. Alright. So we've got our shell created. Now we just need to go in and fine tune some settings, and the first one is going to be the network setting. We want to enable those adapters already enabled, but we want to attach it to an internal adapter. So this, as well as all of our other machines that are shown over here, can interconnect with each other, and the real only source they have to get out is through pfSense. So we've got that set. Now we want to go to storage, and we want to go ahead and we want to attach the Windows 7 image to the virtual drive. Pardon me. Okay, we'll click OK there. And so we're ready to start. We've got everything laid out, and let's go ahead and get this started. So we'll click on Start. Okay, so now we want to install English. We'll go ahead and click the defaults and install now. I temporarily, okay, we want to do a custom because this is a new copy of Windows. We don't have another copy to upgrade from, so we'll click on this. It is rebooting. Setup is installing registry updates as well as preparing devices. Setup is continuing. It's going to restart the computer now. Windows is restarting. It's now running through the setup of preparing your computer for the first use. And now we are prompted to create a username. And type OK, so we'll go to next. And we've installed the product license key and click on next. We're going to go ahead and use the recommended settings to protect the Windows and improve it. We're going to set our time. We'll click on next. We're going to make this a home network. It says it's connecting to my current network and applying settings, but we'll still have to check this in the network and sharing center once we're done. And now it's finalizing our settings. And here's our welcome screen to Windows 7 Professional. They're preparing our desktop. This is just the step before actually seeing your desktop and beginning to start working with this Windows 7 operating system. And there you have it. There's your Windows 7 desktop. Down here you see some icons populate that normally do in the taskbar. Start menu. It's still trying to find, as you can see here, the network settings, and it's telling us that it can't access the network. So we have to go in there and we have to set that up. So we'll do this by right-clicking on it and clicking Open Network Settings and Sharing. We're going to click on Change Adapter Settings. Open this up. Click on Properties. We're going to go to IPv4, click on Properties. We want to use this address 192.168.130. Okay, now our subnet mask is already populated. Our default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Our preferred DNS server is 127.0.0.1. Okay, so it looks like once we started the pfSense router, as you can see here, that helped us to attain internet connectivity here for Windows 7 installation. So now just to check the final things, let's go ahead and see if we can get online. And as you can see, we've gone to msn.com and we can scroll and we do have connectivity. So I do believe that this concludes the installation of a successful installation, that is, of Windows 7 Professional. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you've learned something much like myself. Have a good day.